Hi everyone and welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my morning routine for 2019. Now to start off, I wish I could tell you guys what time I wake up, but every day is a different day and I wake up at a different timing. But one thing that I try to make sure to do is push myself out of the bed and not like use my mobile. But to make up for that, I carry my cell phone with me to my washroom and I play some sort of YouTube video just to wake myself up and also kind of keep myself entertained. Before I start doing any sort of skincare, I obviously like to get my hair out of my face, and before I touch my face, as always, I like to sanitize my hands and I wash it using some hand soap. Now to actually physically wake myself up, I like to wash my face. If you guys want a skincare routine, I have made one in the past. I will link that one in the description box below, but I think I'm gonna make an updated one really soon. And of course, I'm gonna brush my teeth. While brushing my teeth, I like to watch the YouTube videos that are playing in the background. And once that's done, I like to quickly hop into the shower and just clean myself up for the day. And once I'm done with my shower, usually at this point I am super hungry. So I grab myself my breakfast, which is usually some sort of fruit. It's usually an apple and a banana. But today I didn't have a banana, so I just had 2 apples. And of course, while eating my breakfast, I watched some more YouTube videos. Yes, YouTube is life. Now, this is one part of the morning where I'm more relaxed. I like to take my own sweet time. I spend like 15 minutes having my breakfast and just enjoying my morning really, because I know it's going to be a long day ahead. So I just really like to enjoy my meals. Also, regarding the outfit, I am 90% of the time in like sweats or leggings. So that's what I'm wearing, just a pair of leggings and a basic tee. And once I'm done with my breakfast, I like to head over to my room, and this is when I start packing my bag. So now that I have a studio, I obviously like to film my videos there, and that involves a lot of packing and traveling. So I do carry a bunch of bags with me. The first one is usually like my laptop bag, where of course I have my laptop, my journals, my planners and all of that. As I said, I film my videos there, so of course I need to carry my cameras, my equipment and all of that. For the videos, again, I need clothes and just props in general, so I packed that as well, along with my makeup. And for today, the last bag is my lunch bag, where I have like some water and like snacks. Today I was lucky and I just had 4 bags to carry, but usually I have like a minimum of like 5 to 6 bags to carry. The only thing that I really do to my face is apply some sort of moisturizer. And on top of my moisturizer, one thing that I never ever forget to do is apply some sort of sunscreen. Recently, I've been using the Mamaearth's Ultra Light Indian Sunscreen, and guess what? This has a SPF of 50. Just like all the other Mamaearth products, this product too is chemical free and all natural. The key ingredients of this product are like very natural: carrot seed and turmeric. This sunscreen is very much like a gel. As you can see, I'm applying it on my face and it literally just gets absorbed into my skin. Usually with other sunscreens, I need to apply some sort of powder on top of it just to set it. But with this, I don't need to do that at all. Another reason why I love Mamaearth is because it is plastic positive, which means that they recycle way more plastic than they produce. Now, as always, I have a code which is Mridul20. You can use that on mamaearth.in to get a 20% off. Other than that, you can buy this product on Mamaearth, Amazon and Nykaa as well. And that's really about it for now when it comes to me getting ready. I usually travel by rickshaw, so I use the rickshaw and I reach my studio. Now, the first thing that I usually do once I reach is I start cleaning up. I would usually kind of sweep the entire place, but just the other day I have deep cleaned the place, so I don't really need to do that. But there's a little bit of mess going on, so I just like to clear the desk and just really set it up for what's about to happen, which is planning. On Monday specifically, I like to get all of my planning gear out and just plan for the week. This is what my table really looks like. I also have like some sort of like veggies to munch on. Now, of course, I use my Simbaa Lifestyle stationery kit, which is basically a kit that has everything that you might possibly need in order to be productive and like increase your efficiency. So I do have actually an entire video where I unbox the entire stationery kit. I will make sure to link that video in the description box below. But for today, I'm going to start off by filling out the weekly planner. Now, you could use this planner as a daily planner as well, but I like to use it as a weekly planner. So I start off by writing the dates like of the week that I'm gonna be planning for. Similarly, gonna write all the days that I'm gonna be planning. Now, as you can see, there is a center portion which says morning, afternoon and evening. This is where you like really write down the details of each day. So in order to really divide it and categorize it, I'm gonna write SMTT, which is like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, for each of the sections, and we'll get back to this section in a bit. But the first section that I really start planning and filling out is my top 3 priorities. Now, I really enjoy filling this out because it really helps you understand your priorities for the week and just stick to them really. My first priority for this week is to upload 3 videos this week. The second one is product development. So really want to make some more progress. And the last one is to make some bookings and appointments for a future trip. Now, the next section is called daily habits. Now, these are things that you want to do every single day and you want to stick to them. So I like to write them down. The first one is 2 tablespoons of ghee. My nanny says it's really good to consume 2 tablespoons of ghee. So I've written that down. Oil pulling is another thing that I want to do. Every day I either want to shoot a video or edit something. Instagram story, very important. And the last one is for me to consume breakfast every single morning. Now, coming back to this center portion. Now, this is a section where I like to write down if I have any appointments or places that I want to be. So I just fill that out with like the days come. So right now I just wrote down 1 appointment that I have for Tuesday, basically where I need to be. Now, the right portion of this weekly planner is more like lifestyle based. So it starts off with exercise. So I've been working, or rather trying to work out at home. So I just like to write down a few exercises that I want to do at home. So just basic stuff like stretching, crunches, jumping jacks, etc. Right under the exercise column is the water section. So I like to treat each water drop as a day, but of course if you're going to use it as a daily planner, you can use each drop as a glass of water. But for now I'm going to add 2 lines, as you can see, which basically signifies that I've had 2 glasses of water. Under the water section is food. For today I've had 2 fruits, so I'm just going to add 2 lines. And as for mood, I'm going to add a smiley face because today has been a really nice productive day so far. And that's it for my weekly planner. This is what the cover looks like. It's all hand painted, hand drawn. Yeah, the next product is my to-do list. Now, I am obsessed with my to-do list and I cannot like begin to emphasize how important this has become for me. So basically, I just like to write down the things that I need to get done for today. Third product in this kit is a notebook. Now, I love jotting down my thoughts. Specifically, I use this notebook for my YouTube. So I like to write down my YouTube script. So whatever video I'm going to be filming, I just like to jot everything down that is important. Okay, talking more about this kit basically comes with 5 stationery like elements. The first one being a weekly planner, a to-do list, a notebook, 2 post-its and a pen with a stylus at the back. All of these items come in a beautiful marble print box. Now, this product originally retails for 1,400, but for my YouTube fam, I've decided to have kind of like a sale for you guys. So there are 2 ways to place an order. The first one is through Instagram. So you can send us a DM on this handle. And the second way is you can send us a WhatsApp message on this number. Now, when you're placing an order, just give this code, which is YouTube 999, and you can purchase this box only for rupees 999, which also includes the shipping. So I really hope you guys enjoy using this kit. But coming back to the planning, the last thing that I really do is use my post-its. Now, what I use my post-its for is to write down the shots that I need to take. So while filming, there are like particular angles that I want to shoot and I tend to forget if I don't write it down. So I like to write that down all on this post-it and I stick it where I'm going to be shooting, so it's right in front of my eyes. And that's really about it for my planning. For today, I was going to shoot videos, so of course that involved me wearing makeup. So I like to start off by just setting up the tables. So I make like my DIY vanity with like the mirror balancing on these trunks and basically just do my makeup with a YouTube video playing in the background, of course. If you guys want like an in-depth makeup tutorial on what I wear specifically for filming, I have a video on that. I will link that one in the description box below as well. And once I'm done applying my makeup, I start like making my set. So set up the lights, set up the background, and that's really about it for my morning routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. All the products that I've mentioned in today's video will be linked in the description box below, along with the details to Simbaa lifestyle. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.